What's up everyone, how's it going today? We're working on my friend Austin's WRX. He's going to be installing some coilovers. We already pulled out, I guess, the front passenger and let him show you what he's got here.
What's up guys, I'm Austin. Keaton's a good buddy of mine. I decided to go with the TEIN, however you want to pronounce it, the Flex Z Coilovers. Just the research I did, so a lot of people were happy with them. I'm not tracking it all the time, hardly ever actually, if I'm being honest. Hard parking is a lifestyle for me, so this should work out good for me, just daily driving, commuting around. So go ahead and take a look at the box here. Obviously just rip the top open. This is obviously one of our rears. Figure out what side here in a bit. Set that bad boy down nice and gently. One of our fronts looks like the right, as you can see with the letter there. Oh, the goodies. Get some stickers, you get a badge. A little tool to dial in the dampening up in the front. These ones are the ones with the 16-point dampening. So, other front, the L on the top. And last but not least is going to be our other rear right down here somewhere. I mean, they seem pretty secure in the box, so that's a good sign for me, meaning they're not going to get thrown around while they're in shipment. And I mean, looking at them, they look pretty good. I'm no expert on coilovers, that's why these two are helping me put them on, but look clean to me, so as long as they hold up to their name, I mean, I'm happy with them.
So whenever you're removing the top hat, there's going to be three 12mm nuts you're going to take off. And then down below, what do we got here?
Two 19 mils, top camber bolt, bottom mounting bolt.
Awesome, and then besides that, you just have to undo your brake line.
14 mil brake line, a little pop clip for your ABS.
Sweet. So now we're putting in the driver's side. As you can see, you want your camber plate to be able to slide left and right rather than up and down. That way you're able to adjust the actual camber of the tire. So basically just slide it back in and bolt it back on. And also too, if you look where the actual letter is, the L and then the R, L for driver's side, R for passenger, it'll be the side that's facing out. Whenever you're putting it back on, it's good to use a rubber mallet to get the bolts in if you have any issues, but also you can get them all lined up here using a jack. Now whenever you're taking these off, there's going to be two 14mm on top that you'll release, and if you look underneath here, you'll see that there's one 17, another one, and then you want to make sure that you take off your end-link bolt as well, otherwise you're going to have issues with trying to move this arm up and down. So basically just unbolt all three, pull out your strut here, put in the coilover, and bolt it back on. So whenever you're taking out the lining, you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, then one at the bottom, 5. So you'll pull all those out, you'll be able to take this off, and this is what you're looking at while you're in the trunk here. You'll see here's the two 14mm that you'll take off. So back in the garage now, the coilover install went really well. Had my friend just roll out to go get the alignment done. Now, the coilovers made a huge difference over stock. Definitely the look was just right out of the box. Definitely a whole lot of a drop, made it look better. Thought about going a little bit lower, but as of right now, he wanted to let the coilover settle and then go from there on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.